Okay, so there's something pretty significant happening, almost under the radar. It's about our digital selves, our identity, and, well, our money. The tools are actually already here, and the laws, they're catching up fast.
That's right. And for this deep dive, we're digging into some insights from the world of money and digital identity. We really want to get under the skin of these shifts.
Right.
Our mission really is to figure out what these key changes are in digital ID and money, and why you should probably be paying attention.
Okay, let's do it. So a big piece of this puzzle is digital identity itself. It's evolving. The source mentions a company, Bonifii, and something called MemberPass. What was the idea there?
Yeah, Bonifii started MemberPass mostly for credit unions initially. The core idea was simple but powerful. Let members prove who they are online securely, but, and this is important, without needing to share tons of personal data every single time.
So it's about proving it's you without sort of oversharing.
Exactly. Minimum necessary information. But now, Bonifii, they were acquired by Metallicus, and the source suggests Metallicus is taking this idea, onto the blockchain.
Okay, blockchain. For anyone not deep in the crypto world, why is that significant? Putting ID on a blockchain.
Well, think of a blockchain as a super secure shared ledger. It's distributed, really hard to mess with.
Right.
So putting identity credentials there offers potentially much stronger security, through encryption. And it could make it way easier to verify yourself across different services without logging in separately everywhere.
Interesting. Okay, then there's this other piece. The Genius Act. The source brings this up. What exactly is that law, and how does it fit into this digital ID picture?
The Genius Act, it's pretty new legislation. It's basically pushing banks, financial institutions, other companies to really beef up how they verify customers. KYC, know your customer.
Okay, standard stuff, but maybe better.
Yeah, but the key part is it specifically supports using these newer on-chain identity solutions. So it's like the government is saying, hey, these secure blockchain-based methods, that's a legitimate way forward.
Got it. So we've got the tech evolving for ID, and now laws starting to actively encourage it. But money's moving fast too, right? FedNow is mentioned, launching July 14th. What is FedNow? Why is the timing important here?
FedNow is the Federal Reserve's new system for instant payments. Think real-time money transfers between banks, 204/7.
Wow, okay, instant.
Yeah, instant. And the timing is fascinating. It signals this big push towards, a real-time financial system. And Metallicus, the same company working on the blockchain ID, they're supporting FedNow.
So there's a potential link there between the faster money and the new ID tech.
It certainly suggests that. Imagine paying a bill and it clearing instantly, or getting paid the moment the money is sent. It points towards integration.
Okay, so let's try and connect the dots then.
Right.
We have these more secure digital ID ideas, maybe using blockchain.
Yeah.
We've got laws like the Genius Act sort of encouraging that direction.
Right, giving it a regulatory tailwind.
And now we're getting the pipes for instant money movement with FedNow. It really feels like these aren't separate trends anymore.
Exactly. That interconnectedness is the crucial takeaway. It's not just ID or payments. It's how your secure digital self might interact seamlessly with your finances online in the very near future.
Making things smoother, more secure maybe.
That's the promise. Think opening accounts, making purchases, all potentially easier and safer. The source definitely positions Metallicus as a company pushing this forward, mentions the hashtag Metallicus links if you want to dig deeper yourself.
Right.
But the main thing for you, the listener, to grasp is that these pieces coming together signal a pretty fundamental change. How you prove who you are online is likely to get more secure, maybe more private, and definitely more tied into how you manage your money.
So, summing it up, we've got evolving digital ID tech like blockchain, we've got supportive laws like the Genius Act, and we've got instant payments via FedNow. It's all converging.
It really is. A major shift seems to be on the horizon.
Which leads to a pretty big question, doesn't it? As all this unfolds, what new possibilities, or maybe even what new challenges, do you see coming in? How you manage your own digital life, your identity, your money? How might this combo of instant payments and secure ID reshape things for you online?
That's definitely something to chew on.